If you're a coffee enthusiast seeking the perfect brewing experience, look no further than this Utopia Kitchen stainless steel French press coffee maker. This 32-ounce coffee and tea maker isn't just another kitchen accessory, it's a tool that elevates your coffee ritual into a moment of pure enjoyment. Whether you enjoy cold brews, portable coffee presses for travel, or you simply want a classic French press for your kitchen, this model offers a high-quality and versatile brewing experience. Why should you buy the Utopia French press? With so many French presses on the market, you might wonder why the Utopia Kitchen stainless steel French press coffee maker stands out. Here's why. Durability. Made from high-quality stainless steel, this French press is built to last. It can withstand heavy use and is perfect for both indoor and outdoor settings. Heat retention. Thanks to its double-wall construction, this French press keeps your coffee hot for longer periods, allowing you to savor every sip. Portable. Compact design makes it the perfect travel companion. Whether you're camping, traveling, or just making coffee at home, this French press has you covered. Smooth brew. The 4-layer filtration system ensures that your coffee is free of grounds, giving you a smooth, flavorful cup every time. Easy to clean. It's dishwasher safe and easy to disassemble, making cleaning up after brewing a breeze. Durability is key when it comes to any kitchen gadget, and the Utopia French press does not disappoint. Built from 304-grade stainless steel, this coffee maker offers excellent strength and longevity. Unlike other models that only feature stainless steel on the exterior, this press boasts double-wall stainless steel construction on both the inside and outside, ensuring it outlasts its competitors. The double-wall design not only makes it more durable, but also ensures that your coffee stays hot longer, without sacrificing the fresh taste of the brew. No more lukewarm coffee halfway through your cup. This French press keeps your drink piping hot until the last drop. One of the standout features of the Utopia stainless steel French press is its portability. Whether you're at home or on the go, this coffee press fits your lifestyle. Its sleek and compact design makes it easy to pack for camping trips or vacation. It's not just durable, it's also highly practical for outdoor adventures or travel, ensuring you can enjoy freshly brewed coffee wherever you are. If you've ever struggled with the mess and hassle of using a coffee machine on the road, this French press will feel like a breath of fresh air. No electricity, no bulky equipment, just hot water, coffee grounds, and your Utopia French press, and you're ready to brew anywhere. Coffee brewing is all about precision, and the Utopia French press delivers with its 4-layer filtration system. This system includes ultrafine mesh filters designed to trap even the smallest coffee ground, ensuring that each cup you pour is smooth, flavorful, and free of grit. Many coffee makers struggle to remove the tiniest particles, but this French press's sophisticated filtration system sets it apart. With this model, you're not just getting coffee, you're getting a clean, full-bodied brew that captures the essence of every bean. Imagine waking up to a freshly brewed cup of coffee that's free of bitterness or residue, offering nothing but smooth, delicious coffee. That's what the Utopia French press guarantees every morning. Brewing the perfect cup of coffee can be an intimidating task for some, but not with the Utopia French press. Easy to use and designed for convenience, it simplifies your morning routine. Just add your coffee grounds, pour hot water, let it steep for a few minutes, and press down the plunger. Cleaning this French press is just as simple as using it. It disassembles effortlessly, allowing you to thoroughly clean all parts, ensuring that it stays hygienic and ready for your next brewing session. The press is dishwasher safe, making maintenance even easier. Let's not forget the aesthetic appeal of the Utopia French press. Features a sleek, stainless steel finish that adds a modern touch to your kitchen. Minimalistic design combined with its sturdy build means that it looks as good as it performs. This coffee maker is not only practical, but it also makes an excellent gift for coffee lovers. Whether it's a birthday, anniversary, or holiday gift, anyone who appreciates good coffee will love this stylish, high-performance French press. Conclusion: your perfect coffee maker is here. The Utopia Kitchen stainless steel French press coffee maker is a must-have for anyone who values a high-quality, versatile, and durable coffee maker. Its sleek design, robust construction, and superior brewing capabilities make it a worthy investment for coffee and tea lovers alike. Whether you're looking to enhance your morning routine, find a portable coffee maker for your travels, or simply want to enjoy a rich, flavorful cup of coffee at home, the Utopia French press delivers on all fronts. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.